In this video, I'm going to share with you a cleaning hack, quote unquote, going around the interwebs that will end up costing you thousands of dollars in repairs if done regularly. This hack is supposed to keep your bathroom smelling fresh around the clock, and you can find it in your laundry room. What is it, you ask? The advice being given is to pour 1 cup of fabric softener directly into your toilet tank. The idea is your bathroom will smell like a fresh load of laundry every time you flush. My friends, this is a recipe for disaster because of the chemical makeup of the fabric softener. One thing that is worse than a bathroom smelling like lawn sausages is clogged pipes. The fabric softener over time will create a slimy sludge monster that will stick to your pipes and all along the walls of your septic tank if you have one of those. And as you continue to flush this down the toilet, it will build up and grow and grow and grow until you can't flush the toilet anymore. At that point, the pressure will build up and you're going to have an explosion of nasty sewer water back up into your house, burning high-priced holes in your pockets. If you like this video, please boop the like button for me and check out this video where I show you why you should rub shaving cream on your glasses.